Okay, so Drunky McGee, aka my ex, had mentioned before he left that the chain came off the saw. I thought he said the chain broke. I bought a new chain regardless, thinking, that it's in half. How in the hell he managed to do this, I will never know. He probably doesn't even know. And what? Really, what in the actual hell? It's like, oh my god, it's a sock. It's a mangled fucking sock. In the chain. How in the actual hell? Oh my god. This is just crazy. Absolutely crazy. Shit. He's lucky he didn't lose his damn foot. Don't drink and chainsaw, folks.